We go to Weld County, where a jury is split on what happened to young Jonelle Matthews. The 12-year-old was last seen alive at her family's home in Greeley in 1984.
The jury couldn't agree if Steve Pankey is innocent or guilty in her kidnapping and murder. This morning, a judge declared a mistrial in the case. 9 News reporter Noel Brennan is outside the courthouse, and Noel, jurors debated and deliberated for 2 days.
They did, Kim, and by 10:45 this morning, they were done. They could not agree on the three most serious charges, the 2 counts of murder and the 1 count of kidnapping. So the judge did declare a mistrial this morning. I can tell you that Jonelle Matthews' family, they were in the courtroom this morning. Her mother was noticeably upset as the family waited for the jury to return to the courtroom. The jury did find Steve Pankey guilty of false reporting to authorities, which is a misdemeanor, but after 22 days in court, prosecutors could not convince the whole jury that Pankey killed Jonelle Matthews in 1984. In the trial, Pankey's lawyer admitted that his client had an obsessive interest in this case, that he said strange things, that he was even a jerk, but that he was not a killer. Prosecutors argued that Pankey knew information that only a killer would know. This afternoon, prosecutors spoke about how the Matthews family is doing.
They're disappointed. They were hoping for some closure, like we talked about during the course of this trial.
Pankey's attorney did not claim victory or defeat today. He says his client is innocent, and he wasn't shocked that jurors could not agree on those most serious charges.
No, I wasn't surprised. Perhaps a bit frustrated. I think we're all a bit frustrated. But, you know, it was a very highly contested trial.
So what is next? Well, Pankey, he will be sentenced for that misdemeanor charge of false reporting. Then prosecutors will decide if and when this will go to a retrial. I did ask the DA about that today, Kim, and he said he is prepared for a retrial if that does happen. And we should, of course, find out more about all of this on Monday when Pankey is due in court again in the afternoon.
You always think about the family and circumstances like this because they traveled out here for this trial specifically. No, they no longer live in Colorado.
Absolutely. They have come out here to sit through this trial for the past 22 days. They were here again today, and they may likely have to do this again if the case is retried.
Okay, thank you very much.